So today's project is dumping the sewer tank. Not a most exciting project, but if you own an RV, it doesn't matter what size, if it's a small trailer or a big motorhome, it's pretty much the same idea. The waste is something we have to deal with, and there's no really easy or better way of doing things than just go out and do it. So let's take a look. So for you who are new to the RV and camping, one thing you need to remember: when you are parked, you close your black valve. You keep your tank, don't drain it until it's 3/4 full or so, otherwise things are just gonna get harder. You're gonna have a hard time actually flushing the tank. So leave your tank closed until it's about 75-80% full, and then dump it and rinse it. So after the flow stops in the black tank, then we'll just open the valve on the gray water and use that water to flush the drain, and that takes another couple of minutes. And when the water starts flowing or stops flowing, we're just gonna close the bolt valve, and we're gonna do step 2. In this case, I'm gonna flush the black tank. So simple thing to do, but it'll take a few 15-20 minutes to do so. So let's go to the step 2. All right, so what I did now is I connected my valve opening, and I'm gonna give it some water here. My tank is about 70 gallons, so we're gonna turn the water on and see how much we end up getting. So my little meter is gonna be able to tell us how much we get in there. So here you go. My little water meter says we have 66 gallons in. So basically now we're just gonna go open the valve and let all water drain. Your gray tank you should always leave open anyway, so this might gonna take a few minutes, and that should take care of that and give it a little good rinse. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. We travel a lot, RV living, and things we do and how we do it. Thanks a lot. See you down the road.